Hello everyone. So today's topic is how to draw a single line diagram in SolidWorks Electrical. So first we need to all symbols in this single line diagram pages to with together. So firstly I just go for to search the symbol like push button, like relay, PLC, transformer, motor, etc. So go for line diagram tab and go for insert symbol and go for other symbol. After that, first we need to button like emergency stop, foot contact, NC push button, NO push button, that type of symbols here. Suppose do you need any other particular part numbers, push buttons or any buttons, so you I will create it next lecture for particular that. So now need suppose NO push button, select here and select this and just settle down in your grid point like that. Here is a S root, also S here. This is the push button and green color. Okay, if you need to write down any particularly suppose description here, then you just write down here push button. Okay, and then okay. Okay, so I place just here, and after that suppose I need like from starting from supply any type of transformer, then same procedure, go for insert symbol and go for other symbol and search here like transformer. Transformer, suppose I choose this low voltage transformer and just place here with the grid point. Okay, then suppose we need any like relay contactor. We need to go for other symbol and find a relay tab. Here so many auxiliary points also there. I just choose any one of relay contactor relay and just place in the same grid point, any grid point, so that easy to wire up by using cable. Okay, so automatically here catch T1, S1, K1, that type of numbering philosophy, naming philosophy. Okay, then suppose I need to any PLC or VFD related symbol. Here I just go for PLC and I just choose this symbol and just place here. Okay, okay, so also suppose I need to motor related symbol, then just find here. After that motor, last I think motor related motor here, so you just choose this motor or pump also. I choose this motor and I just place here. Okay, once your all symbol gather here in this page single line diagram, and you just go for draw cable here and start your okay. So here I just draw the cable. Okay, then from transformer to relay I just I just here click here and select here. Okay, so that type of connection by using transformer to relay by using draw cable. Same like we need to from relay to these type of push buttons. So I just sorry, I just go for draw cable and just put here some space I need, so that on grid point, and go for here. Okay, that type of wire. And by using from here PLC to motor. So from PLC to motor here, always you need to some space here created here, like if I some this one grid upside, so that easily I just once again I just draw the paper, so that go for electrical project, sorry, tools, or remove this, so that easily catch. After that go for line diagram, and from here to, so that easily representation. Just a minute. So point to point, we need to select this point to point. Okay, so this is from PLC to motor, and from relay to PLC. You can like that. Then we need to drop the cable from transformer to, suppose here PLC. That such type of such type of you change this, or change the place of your convenient place, so that easy to draw cable, cable, and looking aesthetically better. So today we stop here. Okay, thank you.